Monese verification. How long does the wait really last? So, you've just downloaded the Monese app, excited to jump into the world of mobile banking. But before you can start sending money to friends or that new online store you discovered, there's that pesky verification step. We've all been there, the excitement dampened by a waiting game. But fear not, future Monese master, because in this video, we're diving deep into the murky waters of Monese verification, how long it takes, what can slow it down, and some tips to get you verified faster. Now, Monese doesn't give a one-size-fits-all answer on verification times. They say it can be anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days. Intriguing, right? Let's break it down. Firstly, the verification process itself is pretty straightforward. You'll be snapping a few selfies, providing some ID, and maybe even a quick video to prove you're a real human and not some elaborate AI trying to steal all the digital money. Monese assures us these checks are for our own safety, and hey, who can argue with robust security? Here's where things get interesting. The actual verification speed depends on a few factors, kind of like a choose-your-own-adventure for your application. Factor 1, clarity is key. Monese uses fancy algorithms to verify your information. Blurry photos, documents with glare, or even a slight mismatch between your selfie and ID can send your application into a verification limbo. So, make sure your pictures are clear, well-lit, and everything matches perfectly. Treat it like a first date, make a good impression. Factor 2, the verification rush hour. Have you ever tried calling customer service during peak hours? Same principle applies here. If you're signing up during a busy period, your application might end up in a bit of a queue. Don't worry, it won't disappear, but it could add some extra waiting time. Factor 3, the mystery factor. Let's be honest, there's always a bit of a mystery involved with automated verification systems. Sometimes, even with everything seemingly perfect, your application might take a little longer. Monese might need to do some additional checks on their end, which is totally normal. Tips to speed up verification. So, what can you do to get verified faster? Here are some hot tips. Lighting is your friend. Find a well-lit spot for your selfies and ID photos. Natural light is ideal, but avoid harsh shadows. Double-check everything. Before submitting, take a second look at your information and pictures. Ensure there are no typos or mismatches. Patience is a virtue. While waiting can be frustrating, avoid bombarding Monese with support tickets. Give them some time to process your application. Beyond the wait. Now, let's say you've done everything right, but your verification is taking longer than expected. Don't panic. Monese has a helpful customer support team. While you can't directly call them yet, you can reach them through the app or their website. Be polite, explain the situation, and they'll do their best to help. Monese verification can range from a quick breeze to a slightly longer wait. By following the tips and staying patient, you'll be well on your way to enjoying the benefits of mobile banking with Monese. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.